Get into the 2017 Honda CR-V. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.